In a secluded valley, a seasoned guide demonstrates how to read wind and water to plan a safe day trek. He teaches a simple nature diary technique to note cloud shifts, animal cues, and edible plant boundaries for future trips. By using a pocket mirror for signaling and a compact fire starter, learners gain confidence without harming the forest. The session emphasizes ethics, leaving no trace, and transforming every obstacle into an opportunity to practice resilience. When dusk falls, the group shares reflections on how nature educates not just skills but thoughtful, lasting respect.